Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to share how to maintain your NCD throughout the day and also at the end of the shift. So with a lot of research that we've done, we understood that after every 50 coffees we really should be cleaning the surface of the NCD with this cloth. The reason why, coffee has a lot of oils, these oils will build up, and if we don't clean it, we're gonna start seeing a lot more coffee grinds stuck at the bottom. So every 50 coffees, whenever you have a minute, feel free to use this cloth, wipe it off. We make sure we clean up all of these oils, and you'll be good to make another 50 coffees that will taste very delicious. And also at the end of the shift, what I would highly recommend is, please take the base apart, place it in a hot water. You can use hot water from your coffee machine if you would like, in a small dish. And after 5 or 10 seconds, be careful not to burn your fingers. After 5 or 10 seconds, feel free to wipe it off with a dry cloth. This will make sure that all of the coffee oils are completely removed. So following day, you can make delicious coffees. Thank you very much for watching.